Welcome fellow music educators to the final presentation of our Wicked Intonation Problem Project. The goal of this project is to explore the technological benefits to teaching our ensemble how to improve intonation and better understand the concept. Over the past couple of years, we've tried many different techniques and tools to improve our intonation. We always revert back to the director myself standing next to our stroke tuner while students play the pitch from their seat. I tell them if they need to adjust and how much, and we work through it. Students aren't able to see the tuner, so they trust the director, limiting their involvement in the process. We have students that come up to the tuner sometimes and tune, but that takes up more time and creates traffic jams in the front of the tuner. We've also invested band booster money in purchasing every section less expensive tuners that they pick up with their instrument and music and tune while they're in their seats. This was great at first, but then batteries would die, the connected sound receivers went missing, or the tuner itself was misplaced. Unfortunately, you get what you pay for, and they lasted only about a year. This year, the music department purchased an iPod 2 along with some other exciting technology. The primary purpose for these purchases was for music creation, editing, composing, and more. The iPad 2 became really useful for taking attendance and entering grades. When thinking of the problem in the classroom for this project and how technology could help, the first thing that came to my mind was a friend who mentioned how he used his iPhone to tune his band while traveling. We purchased ClearTune, an application for iPad 2, and discovered it was very accurate and easy to use. We then connected to our projector and view the image on the wall. This can be seen from anywhere in the room, and the mic is sensitive enough to pick up the sound. Students now come into the room, grab their instrument and music, and begin tuning as soon as possible. We then begin our warm-up process as an ensemble. When we're done warming up, I tell them to tune. They start in the front row and end in the back rows, and it only takes about 4 to 5 minutes. Students have subconsciously created a process to tuning similar to that of a four-way stop, where they are very courteous and wait their turn. Because they now know the process and understand the different tone corrections using the instrument slides and their armature, I'm able to attend to other things. While they are tuning, I enter the attendance, fixing the instruments that need it, or assist students with tasks that could increase rehearsal time. The key interactions can be seen when the students hear they are not in tune, which is the content knowledge. Once students realize the adjustments need to be made, they use the iPad 2 tuner to visualize the degree of bad intonation. This is the technological knowledge. Once they know if they are sharp or flat, they make the adjustments to their instruments or their armature. At first it takes some time if they need assistance, but they learn extremely fast and can handle it individually. This is the pedagogical aspect. All three interact while the tuning process is underway. We are extremely excited that we have found this process, and we plan to keep it around for quite some time. We are so excited, in fact, that we are looking at purchasing a flat screen TV to mount onto our wall and to use the Apple TV product to wirelessly mirror the iPad 2 onto the TV. That way we don't have to deal with connection cords, power cords, or a projector in the middle of the setup. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. I hope we've inspired a couple of new ideas for you.